Hello designers, welcome back to our design challenge series. Today we have a crucial challenge on our hands. In this episode we are delving into the world of e-commerce app design, focusing on one of the most critical aspects, the checkout process. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of a seamless and user-friendly checkout experience? Let's get started. But before we dive into the design, if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our design challenges and tutorials. And to our returning viewers, thank you for your continued support. You are the fuel that keeps this creative engine running. Now, let's take a moment to understand what makes a checkout process successful. It's not just about payments, it's about trust, efficiency, and making the customer's journey smooth. It's about creating a moment where a user transitions from a potential buyer to a satisfied customer. We have drawn inspirations from industry leaders who have set high standards for a seamless checkout process. Our focus today is on creating a user-centric, trust-building, mobile-optimized, and personalized checkout experience that can be applied to any e-commerce site. Drawing from these insights, we have already crafted a checkout page. Now let's dive in and explore how we have applied these design goals to our creation. Our first design goal is to ensure a seamless user experience. To achieve this, we have simplified our checkout process, making it intuitive and straightforward. We have incorporated clear progress indicators so users always know where they are in the checkout process. Efficient navigation is a must. We have minimized the steps required to check out, ensuring that users can easily make changes if needed. Building trust is a paramount in e-commerce. Users need to feel secure about sharing their personal and payment information. We have made our privacy policies and security measures easily accessible, giving users peace of mind that their data is handled with care. Data encryption is a fundamental part of our design, ensuring that sensitive information remains confidential. We have tailored our checkout page to users' preferences, saved payment methods, addresses, and even personalized product recommendations, enhancing the shopping experience. Now, let's take a closer look at our order summary component. Within this component, users can not only see a quick overview of their purchase but also access essential details. They can easily spot the total amount, ensuring there are no surprises at the final step. Moreover, we have prominently displayed the expected delivery date. This not only manages user expectations but also adds a layer of excitement. So, there you have it. We have incorporated these industry-leading design principles to create a checkout page that's seamless, secure, mobile-friendly, and personalized to meet users' needs. If you found this video insightful and thought-provoking, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more design challenges and tutorials. And as always, we would love to hear your thoughts. What do you think are the most critical aspects of a seamless checkout process? Share your insights in the comments below. Your input is invaluable to us. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, as always, stay creative, stay inspired, let's craft it together. Until next time, take care.